Hey guys, welcome back to the Lola and Reesie Funhouse. I'm Reesie and Lola's behind the camera. So today I'm going to make some stretchy, clear slime. So you can see I already started, which I'm going to get all the way up to, I'm going to do 30 milliliters.
Of what?
Of glue.
What kind of glue is that?
Clear glue.
You need help?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta press really hard, right?
Mm-hmm.
Think we're there?
A little bit more. And stop.
What are you adding now?
Borax activator.
Okay, that's good. How much borax activator do you add? Not too much, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little, a few drops maybe to start.
I use this.
We might have added a little too much this time. But that's
Fill
okay.
this up to like.
Keep stirring, stirring, right?
I fill this up to like 1.5, and then that's good.
Okay. You want to take this bowl here? You want to start to stir it over the bowl?
I think I can
Do
get it
without?
from
Okay.
over here.
Sure.
Yeah. I think I can work with this.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's kind of turning out like it. Maybe if I add these two together, it'll probably pour into it.
Sure. What do you add to help so it's not so sticky?
Sealing solution.
That's right. Here, how about we put this bowl here now and you put it in here, okay? Watch, that will help. Okay? That helping?
Mm-hmm. That's really stretchy. So you can see my sister over there. She's playing a toy guitar. Thank you for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe.